Good morning. Today's pre-market news. It's an FNO expiry week and the usual volatility associated is more or less expected. Speculation remains on whether the SEP taper will happen. In other words, whether the Federal Reserve will pull back on asset purchases in September. The outlook is a positive start to begin with. The rupee, which closed at 63.20 on Friday, will remain in focus. Asian stocks are in the green after a fall in US home sales raised hopes that Federal Reserve may not reduce economic stimulus next month. Data showed new home purchases in the US plunged in July by the most in 3 years. Back home in India, the GDP number, the broadest measure of economic activity, will be closely eyed and is expected later this week. Finance Minister P. Chidambaram during the weekend reassured FIIs and banks that once the rupee slide was curbed and stability returns to the currency markets, interest rate will start falling according to a report. FIIs were eager to know what new steps and policy action the government is taking to ensure stability in the market, the report added. US indices ended mixed last week. The Nasdaq added 1.5% and the S&P 500 rose slightly while the Dow Jones fell for the third straight week. Japan's Nikkei 225 index was trading marginally higher and so was Hong Kong's Hang Seng index. South Korea's Kospi index rose 0.7% while China's Shanghai index was a flat. Thanks to a double whammy of high crude prices, $105 per barrel, and a weak rupee, Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum Corporation and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation are up against few losses of rupees 1,40,000 crore this fiscal, a report stated. The government is counting on recent big-ticket deals and a pickup in acquisitions to keep dollars flowing while it tries to rein in the current account deficit, says a report. The Prime Minister's office is in favor of opening up the fastest-growing e-retail sector to foreign direct investment, a move that will allow global majors such as Amazon and eBay to invest in the country, says a report. Our recommendations, the technical calls for the day. We recommend buying Lupin above rupees 787 for the target price of rupees 815 with a stop loss placed at rupees 775. Derivative strategy for the day. Short Cipla August future above rupees 397 for the target price of rupees 386 with a stop loss placed at rupees 402. That's all for today. Thank you.